Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good, cold, rainy morning. 18 days till Junk Bonanza load in. The first day, I went and looked at all the details yesterday. The first day we can work from 3 to 7. The second, that's the early bird that I paid for. And that's basically unloading the car when it's not super busy. It'll still be super busy. And then getting the footprint in place. Which last night I had a panic attack again because I was like, I don't have enough stuff for the footprint because I forgot half the stuff that was in my car. So I had to go back and look at the video of me loading the van. I go refer to my old videos. So I went back and referred to the video and remembered, oh, that's right, I have a desk and a barley twist like table. Now I'm like, I'm good. I'm good. I think might use an 8-foot ladder I picked up an old wooden ladder. It was like $8. It's 8 feet tall. Might use that to hang quilts on. I can also, when quilts start to sell, move other product onto it. So it's kind of a brilliant solution. I like that idea. I'm letting the dog out here. She got to do her business because it's cold and rainy. I gotta put chili in for dinner. Put chili in for dinner. Okay, so the OG is in the ER. Told me not to come down there. They can't give me any information right now. No, hope to hear back from Dad soon. I'm gonna do a quick misty walk while we wait to hear something. Just to kind of take my mind off things. All right, we finally heard from the OG and he's fine. Thank God. He injured his pectoral muscle on the left side. He ripped it, actually. Needs to just rest and ice. So I've started drinking. That's my wine glass back there. You can tell because my cheeks are pink. Anyway, I got good news today, too, if Margot will let me please do this. All right. I ordered myself my own merch for Junk Bonanza so I can wear a uniform every day. I'm wearing Happy Junkin' shirts. Donna had asked me what cute outfit I was planning on wearing. I can't think of anything cuter than my own shirts. So I bought myself 4 new shirts. So we are unboxing them if Margot doesn't want to eat them. So I got 4 new shirts, including this one. I'm so excited about this one. Margot, you can smell it in a minute. Now these shirts, just FYI, if you're going to order them, run really small. This is like a 3X, I think. They run super duper small. But I got the bright blue one. Happy Junkin'! And then I got the, I think this is heavy metal. I got one called heavy metal and one, no, this might be heather gray. I have another gray one, but I wanted to have all new clothes for Junk Bonanza. So this is gray one. And I think this is the heavy metal one. I ordered 3 different styles too, 4 different styles to try out the different. I noticed they've switched now to Fruit of the Loom HD cotton, which is awesome. This is the one called heavy metal. Happy Junkin'. They did tell me they were changing their suppliers for the shirts, and looks like it's going to be Fruit of the Loom. And then this was the last one, Black Happy Junkin'. And I think this was the Women's Relaxed. Looks kind of like a Women's Relaxed. So that's what I'm wearing for Junk Bonanza. And then, of course, my yoga pants and bamboo socks. There you go. That's all I'm going to ever give you on fashion. I wear my shirt. I wear t-shirts, yoga pants, because I can move in them. So I wear boot cut yoga pants. So they look like trousers. But then they, you can, when I bend over to lift furniture, things like that, it's not trying to bisect me with a waistband. For years, I was wearing these jeans that I loved, But every time I had to move furniture, it was like being bisected. Like the waistbands don't flex when you're trying to move and shift, and I need to be able to move. And then the other pants that I had, they would gap if they had the stretch. So you'd bend down and then you'd be peeking. And I'm like, I don't want to peek. So that's why I wear exclusively bootcut yoga pants and now my shirts. So I have like 6 of my own shirts. I could wear one every day except Sunday. Or I could wear one every day but Monday. I don't know. I could wear one every day now. I'm so excited to have them. And blue is my favorite color, so I always get mine in the blue. But I think maybe I should have probably got pink on the blue. Although it looks all right. The blue on the blue. The Happy Junkin comes in hot pink and blue. Those are my 2 brand colors. So it comes in the turquoise blue and the hot pink. But I'm all geared up now. While I was waiting to hear from Dad, I did not get a whole lot done. When I get stressed out and I'm worrying about things, people, mostly people, like I'll be worried about my family. They just left for the lake. I'll be worried about them until I get a text from them. Lord, save us from every mother's nightmares, right? The thoughts in our heads. So I did get some things wrapped up, not a whole lot done today. I'm going to continue on with, I got that box of melamine, and stuff. Turns out I have like 50 pieces of melamine here. Now, when I look online on eBay and Etsy, 22 pieces are going for $200. So I think a fair price is going to be $2 a piece, build your own set. So I'm going to just put up a sign that says $2 a piece. And then if they want to buy the whole set, I can cut them a deal. But I paid $5 for the whole box. So I'm more than happy at $2 a piece. And since my set's not matching, even though the melamine ones I saw online weren't matching either. That way, if they have a turquoise set and they're missing a couple cups, they can buy 4 cups. Or I have the pink and blue and yellow. They're cute, right? Can't get them in my cart fast enough. Washed them all up, put them in the dishwasher, and then the ones that didn't wash up, because these had been sitting outside for a long time. They were like grungy, nasty, dirty. I have a second quilt soaking right now. Y'all, you think they're clean, right? And then I see what comes off of them and I think, I was holding that. What are you doing? I don't need help breaking stuff. I am quite capable of breaking my own stuff, dog. See, Margot? Oh, my girl. She's been so naughty, you guys. So naughty. She's part of the Bad Dog Olympics team today. Tell them how bad you are. She's also learned to step on the lever that opens the garbage lid to feed herself. So I now have to put like something heavy on top of the garbage can so she can't raise the lid. No! She just picked this up. And it's because I'm really, really busy and she's a puppy and she wants my attention. So she needs me to pay attention to her. Don't bite, mommy. Don't bite, mommy. No. No. And I'm going to be leaving you tomorrow for a short time to do my booth. I never got to pick it to do my booth. I was like, I can't. Because I didn't know if I would need to suddenly go to the hospital. Like not knowing what it was. My head is sitting there thinking, I don't want to have all that stuff sitting outside and it's not done. And I run off. I'm going to sign off because all I'm going to do for the rest of the day is pack stuff. And you guys have seen it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't gotten one of your Happy Junkin shirts, you can match me. Oh, they do come in other colors besides blue and black and gray. Yellow, pink, whatever color white you want. White. Get the color that you like. I personally think black is my happy color. So I'm always in dark colors. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.